I'm videoing everything. This is insane. I thought there was gonna be a fireworks show right here in front of us.
There is, I think.
Oh my god. Oh my god, you can hear this is cool. Happy New Year 2015. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Holy shit. Oh my god. This is amazing.
Look.
That was so cool. It changed from 2014 to 2015. Oh, holy cow, man. Look at the city. Wow. Oh, look at this, Allie-Raye. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my good heavens me. Look at the city. Oh, this is magical. Oh my god. Wow. Look at this, sweetheart. Yeah.
She loves it.
She does. Oh, there's... Yeah. It's so pretty. I know, honey. They're so beautiful.
Oh my god, they're everywhere.
This is the most incredible thing I think I've ever seen. Oh my god. OMG. The city is just...
Shoot over here. Look at them all over here.
I am. I went all the way over there. I'm just looking at the ones that are close by here. This is unbelievable. Oh, look at that.
Look at money. Oh, boom.
Oh my gosh. Look, Allie-Raye. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that, sweetheart. Yeah. This is just incredible. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Yay! She loves it. Aren't they beautiful, Allie? Hello. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my good heavens. This is out of this world to see all this at once. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty. Pretty. Look how pretty. Wow. Look at that. She's not afraid of them at all or anything, honey. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at that.
I can't believe how long they're lasting.
Obviously, this place likes to party. Well, this is New Year's, San Antonio, Texas style. Yeah. It's just something. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. You like that, Allie? Oh, look at that. It's beautiful.
So pretty.
It's beautiful. Look at that. Oh, look at this.
Allie.
Yeah, look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my holy. Was that it? Nope.
Oh, look. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at this, Allie. Oh. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Ah. Oh, she's clapping. That's so cute. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is. Oh, wow. Oh
Nice,
my
hey, honey.
gosh.
Look at the lights.
This is just gorgeous.
Look at the light. Wow.
I can't get over that the city is still. Look at it. Like, look at them all. They're still going nuts. Look at that, Allie. Look at that. Oh, wow, honey. Look at that. Aren't they beautiful? Yeah, she loves them, hon. Look at this, sweetheart. We've got more.
Those are the American ones.
Yep. How do you know?
Red, white, and blue.
Oh, yeah. You're right. Oh, wow. I wonder how many of these you can see from space.
None.
No, but you've got to be able to see some color burst in somewhere from
No,
space. I'm sure you have to. It'd be interesting to see what the telescope picks up. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, I love that one. That was a beauty. Look at that, Allie-Raye. Look how beautiful they are. Oh, oh, wow. Hello. Was that the finale?
Yeah.
That must have been the finale. Nope. They've got more. Oh, wow. He said it was about 25 minutes long, didn't he? So far, it's been 10 minutes. And counting. Oh, was that it?
That's it.
Wow. Oh, no, there's more. Oh, yeah, here we go. Here we go. This is going to be the finale. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. You said it, honey. You said it. I knew Allie would love these. Oh my goodness, wow.
Really, eh? Thank you.
Here's a big one. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. These are the finales. Holy moly, that's a finale. Oh, I've never seen a fireworks show like this before. Have you, honey?
Yeah.
Where? Where?
This is nothing.
Nothing?
One of the ones at Disney World.
What are those like?
Like this times 100.
What? Bigger, better, stronger?
I could put a better show on than this in my backyard.
Babe, you're being so, narcissistic. Look at that. Really? You can do that in your backyard?
Yeah.
Oh, God, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Really? Really?
Wow, they're really firing them up there, eh?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my heavens. Oh, my God. That's just incredible. Wow. 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 I got goosebumps.
Oh, that purple one was cool.
Yep. That was it. She's loving it. Oh my God. Oh, here comes some more. Oh my God.
at me, look.
Wow. Wow. Okay, that had to be it then.
Okay. No.
Here, everybody. Oh. Wow. 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 Oh my God, I have goosebumps. Oh my shit. I've never seen a fireworks show like this before. Oh my God. Oh, good heavens me. Spectacular what? Oh my God. Oh my heaven. Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
That's it.
That was it. Oh, that's not it. Oh, a little fart at the end. Allie loves it. Oh my God, they're not done, honey. Look at this. What was that? Was that it? Are they done?
I think so.
They must be done. Yay!
Still going across the city though.
I know.
Not as much, but still going.
No, there's still some going. Oh my goodness, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. Wow. That's incredible. I got that whole thing on video.
That's all, Allie-Raye.
That's it, baby girl. It's
All
over.
done.
She's clapping her hands. She's so
All
happy.
done. Happy New Year. Kiss the daddy.
Happy New Year. It's 2015 now.
You're the only girl I want to kiss on New Year's, honey bun.
Oh my God, I didn't give my New Year's kiss.
Oh, well.
Okay, well that's sweet. I got that on video too.
Okay, go kiss a goat.
Oh my God. Give here, Allie. Give me a kiss. Okay. Aw, Daddy gave Mommy a kiss.
That's the only one you get until our anniversary.
Okay, I'll hold on to that one for dear life.